Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Soap here in Amsterdam.
Hi, welcome. We're here today to make a new video and with a lovely recipe.
What are we going to make today, Erika?
Well,
These
today-
ingredients are quite exotic.
Yes, as you can see we have some exotic and also easy to come by ingredients.
And what are we going to make with these?
We are making a hair mask.
Oh, nice.
Yes, it's really nice for winter because for me personally my hair gets dry and frizzy, even more so in the winter.
Winter needs more protection.
Yes.
And needs to be taken care of it more, especially in this country where it's quite windy as well.
It's a very easy recipe. So you just take one avocado.
Here we are.
We chopped it into pieces and we are going to blend the whole thing, or you can mash it if you have some strength in your arms.
Yes.
Aloe Vera gel.
We're
We're going to add 2 tablespoons. Aloe Vera is actually really good for your hair. It works as a hair conditioner, but it also takes care of your scalp. So if you have a dry scalp or some scalp problems, it has antibacterial properties and it contains a lot of water, which is moisturizing, hydrating at the same time. It's really nice also to use as a face mask. For example, if you have a dry skin or a skin burn or something, some itchiness, you can just put on the aloe vera gel on your face and let it sit for 10 minutes, wash it up. So if you have some leftover, don't ditch it, just use it for something else.
And then the coconut
And then the
oil.
coconut oil, also great
One
for...
teaspoon, right?
1 teaspoon, yes.
Okay.
You're right. Great for your hair. We don't want to use too much because otherwise
It gets a bit greasy.
Yeah. So we're just going to get to work.
Okay, let's start.
Yes.
And here is our hair mask, it's ready. And just a couple of words on how to apply it, right,
Yes.
Erika? So you can apply it on your hair, damp or dry, and you leave it in for 10, max 20 minutes, and then you wash it off using a mild shampoo. And that's it.
That's it.
Super easy.
Silky soft hair.
Yes. And enjoy and watch our video. And then in a couple of weeks we'll be back with a new tutorial.
Yes.
See you.